Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about the top 5 highly profitable Amazon KDP niches for 2023. If you're working on Amazon KDP and want to generate some serious income, then this video is for you. We'll be highlighting the top demanding niches that you can choose to work on and earn money from. So let's get started. Our first highly profitable niche for 2023 is Healthy Eating and Clean Eating Cookbook. This niche has a niche score of 45, indicating a good demand and less competition. There are a total of 7,000 results in this niche, and the average bestseller rank, BSR, is under 300,000. With over 1,000 plus reviews and an average price of $13, this niche presents a fantastic opportunity for success. Moving on to our second highly profitable niche for 2023, we have Minimalism and Simple Living. This niche has a niche score of 47, indicating a high demand and less competition. There are 331 results in this niche, with an average BSR of 600,000. With over 1,200 plus reviews and an average price of $12, this niche is definitely worth considering. Our third highly profitable niche for 2023 is DIY Beauty and Skincare Guide. With a niche score of 47, this niche also offers a high demand and less competition. There are 500 results in this niche, with an average BSR of 900,000. Although it has a lower number of reviews compared to the previous niches, with an average of 200, the potential is still great. The average price is $12, making it an attractive niche to explore. Now let's talk about our fourth highly profitable niche for 2023, which is Parenting Tips and Guides. With a niche score of 52, this niche is even more promising. There are 2,000 results in this niche, with an average BSR of 400,000. What's more impressive is the average 700 plus reviews and an above average price of $21. It's definitely a niche that can bring you significant earnings. And finally, our fifth and most highly profitable niche for 2023 is plant-based and vegan recipes. With an outstanding niche score of 53, this niche is a real winner. There are 6,000 results in this niche, with an average BSR of only 100,000, indicating a high number of sales. With over 1,400 reviews and an average price of $15, this niche has enormous potential for success and profitability. There you have it, the top 5 highly profitable Amazon KDP niches for 2023. If you're looking for top niches and make money in 2023, we highly recommend considering these top 5 highly profitable niches. These niches have high demand, less competition, and great potential for sales and earnings. So don't hesitate to dive into these niches and start your self-publishing journey today. That's it for this video. If you found it valuable, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.